Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So many people ask what to do currently because we have the difficulties with the analyzing of the market. We have the straight up protection, just one white line to the upside without any retracements, any patterns. So what we're going to do in the current situation, whether we should buy or it's too dangerous, whether we should wait with some bearish patterns, something of that sort. Well, in two words speaking, currently the most safe way to act with the market is to buying on the pullbacks and the significant support areas, because momentum stands so strong that it just can't stop immediately at one time. It needs some time to fade the momentum down. It means that the overall impulse so strong that if even you will buy at some support in the market starts to fade the momentum, you probably will be able to out either at the stop, either at break even or even with some profit. So the buying of the dips around significant levels looks acceptable tactic for now. For taking the short position, well, of course it is possible, but in the current situation you have to get the bearish patterns first. Since currently we have not just the small chances to succeed with the bearish trade, but also we need to get such situation, such a background where you could minimize your potential loss. So if you still intend to trade short the Bitcoin market, you need to choose such scenario which could give you the minimum potential loss. And currently, at this moment, I do not see any good steps for taking a short position in the market. So we probably will need to see what will happen. Recent pullback that we see out from the 42 area stands due to the same reasons why all other markets has shown the retracement. I mean, first of all, it's gold market in euro, just because of the significant rising of the interest rates in the United States, and they could put some attention out from the Bitcoin to the U.S. Treasury bonds because they generate the interest return, and as this interest return starts rising, it makes the overall assets more attractive. So investors are interested with the return, and it becomes more attractive as return level is rising. So that's the reason why the Bitcoin also has stopped a bit in this upward direction. Well, but it doesn't mean that it will be some drastic impact, because this action is already has started and and it needs time to take the power, so to accelerate before it will have the major impact on other markets. So that's why we do not consider currently that there are some sharp reversal in Bitcoin market or something like that sort. So what could be done in the nearest time? First of all, on the monthly chart, we have nothing really interesting. We have straightforward action, no patterns. Next target and calculations on the extension that we have here stands at 2618 round 47. It's not really too far, just 5,000 till this target. Currently, market stands in some pullback. So the support level stands too far to discuss it right now. So probably we need some time when the market could reach it, if even it will reach it at all. So nothing to do on the monthly chart. On the weekly, here's approximately the same situation, except maybe that we have tighter standing levels. And here is again, we could consider this thrusting action, keep an eye on the possible hip support levels, where we could consider taking position based on the bread butter trade, because this most recent thrusting action is suitable for the Jordan Apple bread butter trade, and if market somehow, by some reason, will show deep retracement, that will be a great opportunity for taking the position. But this probably should happen somewhere around 30 even, and that also a long way to go before it will happen, because currently market stands significantly higher. So on the weekly chart, it means that also we'll have not too much things to do. It means that we could focus only on the daily or intraday charts and consider what we could do here. Here, as you can see, what we have. Also, upward thrusting action. Market shows signs of the indecision because in the 2 sessions when the interest rate starts rising in the United States, the upward action on the Bitcoin market fizzled. You can see it stopped here, and both candle stands inside to this record top that has been formed. Nearest support area stands around 3650. And take a look here, as we have also daily oversold area. That potentially great level, good level for a short-term trading on the long side. So once market will reach it, you could consider maybe this will be some intraday ABCD pattern, or maybe here on intraday charts will be formed something bullish, some reverse head and shoulders pattern, butterfly buy, or something of that sort. So that could be used for taking the position. Because this is a result accompanied with the fib level, it means that some at least minor bounce here should happen. Taking into consideration the overall momentum that we have here, this bounce should follow, and it has really big chance to happen at the first touch of the support area. So it means that the probability will stand in favor of the bull trade, and here we could consider taking the position. So that's actually all that we have currently on the technical side of the Bitcoin market. Nothing additionally we have here, so no other patterns. So on the intraday charts, we could see that our butterfly free drive pattern that we discussed has not been formed because market directly has followed to the 1618 extension of the butterfly, and now it is coiling somewhere around this level. So here we do not see yet any patterns. On the hourly chart, the only thing that we have is the minor bearish divergence of the MACD indicator. You could see here and here as well, and probably here some kind of the divergence exists, but it's not very significant pattern right now because it stands on the hourly chart. We have no significant resistance level, so nothing actually special. So, that being said, if you would like to short the Bitcoin, you have to wait for some clear bearish pattern. This could be formed here. I do not know, maybe it will be some kind of the hand and shoulders or something of that sort. If you would like to buy the Bitcoin, you need to wait for the 35 area, because here or better to say 3650, where we have identified support area. So keep an eye on this support and watch for maybe some ABCD pattern will be formed right here. So that will be the chance where I could consider taking the long position. That's all that we see currently on the Bitcoin market. So let's see how the interest rate rising on the United States will impact on the market. Currently it seems that they impact, but not very strong, at least compared to the gold. Gold has dropped significantly stronger than the Bitcoin market. Still, this pressure by the interest rates could provide a good chance for position taking on the Bitcoin market.